edX is a learning destination where edX offers free online courses from some of the best universities in the world, like Berkeley and MIT, Harvard, international universities like Tsinghua. So we have over 500 courses in virtually every topic. One of the more significant areas for us is computer science. There are just a large number of jobs out there which are unfilled, and the degrees that people get, they don't quite match up to the skill levels required by the job. So there's a real skills gap. And so we feel that a lot of the computer science courses can help bridge that skills gap. We have computer science courses that start at the early, it could even be taken by kindergartners. There's a programming in Scratch course, which is a great course for an early introduction into programming for a kindergartner, or for that matter, for the parent of a kindergartner. All the way up to very advanced courses. So for example, we have a course on cloud computing from the IEEE. There are courses on software as a service from Berkeley. And so really a wide range of courses, all the way from introductory courses like Scratch to Python programming for the freshman year, introduction to computer science for the freshman year of college, all the way to more graduate level, more advanced courses like machine learning from Caltech, or scalable machine learning from Berkeley, or big data from Berkeley. We have close to 4.5 million students from every single country in the world. A lot of the students that are taking some of the computer science courses are not computer science majors. So for example, one of our learners sent us a letter saying that she was an English major, and she was never quite sure did she want to go into technology or into the humanities and liberal arts. She ended up doing English, but late in her college career, she decided, hey, let me try a computer science course. So she took Introduction to Computer Science from Harvard at edX, and she really liked it. And she says, hey, maybe I'm going to top off my liberal arts education with some computer science courses, and that will help me get jobs in fields where there are jobs asking. I think pressure and stress is part of the culture at some of the top universities, and students thrive in it. That said, we have a large number of self-paced courses where the students can dive in and learn at their own pace. And if they pass the course, they get a verified certificate, which they can post on their LinkedIn profiles, on their Facebook profiles, and so on. And when students take these courses in a self-paced manner, they can certainly afford to be a lot more creative and explore a lot more and take a lot more time than a fixed regimen course. There's also a lot of design aspects to computer science. You just have to take the Scratch programming course from Harvey Mudd to realize how much fun kids can have with programming. Programming is not just about writing code and looking at ones and zeros, but in the Scratch programming course, for example, kids can do animations and a lot of fun stuff involving video and audio, and it's just a fantastic introduction to computer science and programming.
Have you heard things about how it's enhanced on-campus education around the world?
So computer science faculty certainly are very excited about offering online courses, and they're taking the same online courses that they create on edX for the world for free offering as a MOOC, and also bringing it back to campus in a blended model. I'll give you a couple of quick examples. One is T.C. Pong, who's a professor of computer science at Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. He teaches a great Introduction to Java course on edX. It actually turns out that Java is the single highest searched term on our website. And so he offers a Java course on edX, and he also used the same course on campus to involve campus students. Another example is the Python programming course and a computer science course from MIT. There, the online MOOC offering impacted the campus offering in the following way. It's very interesting. MOOC courses, students like MOOC courses to be relatively short, so they can plan their time much more effectively around it. So MIT took their 4-month intro to computer science and Python course and broke it up into two parts, part 1 and part 2, each running about 6 to 8 weeks. When campus students noticed that, they said, hey, that's a really good idea. I want to take the second part of the course, or just the first part, not both parts. And so, believe it or not, they also split up the campus course into two parts to reflect the online course. And so you can see that experimenting online, people have the freedom to experiment online. And then following that experimentation, they can apply what works in campus courses as well.
But at some point you sit back and go like, why are we working so hard at making all this happen, and where's it all going to end up?
No, we have just a very simple vision. We would like to educate 1 billion people over the next 10 years. And we try to head in that direction. And that involves creating lots of great courses, improving the engagement and assessments of the courses. We've got some extremely rich assessments in computer science and for the humanities and peer grading and AI assessment and so on. So we're not only teaching computer science, but we're also using the latest in computer science and machine learning and cloud computing and big data to improve what we're offering on the platform as well. So I hope that within a few years, we will be able to offer just absolutely spectacular courses in virtually every topic known to mankind, getting up to maybe 10,000 courses in 3 to 5 years.